So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome again to our 2025 smartphone graphic design tutorials that we embarked on a couple of days ago. This is day 3 of it, and then we are looking at the logo design and its principle. Logo design and its principle. So this is what we are coming to look at today. So my question for today is, what then is a logo? So if you know the answer, pause this video and then write your comment underneath the comment, and then after that come and play and let's look at the meaning or ideal definitions of a logo. So a logo is a graphic symbols or emblem used to represent a company, brand or organization or a product. Yes, a logo is a symbol, a graphic symbol or an emblem used to represent a company, brand, organization or a product. Now, it is typically include a combination of text, that is names or initials, and a visual element. Yes, the visual element may include icons, colors, and shapes. Yes. So these are some of the examples of the logos as you are seeing. The YouTube logo, Amazon logo, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the logos that you may see. So all the logos you are seeing was designed using principles. And what are the principles of logo design? Now, there are several principles of logo design which ranges from simplicity, memorable, relevance, versatility, timeliness. We have what again? Uniqueness, scalability, balance and proportion, color choice, typography, and more. We will take them one after the other, or we take some of them one after the other and know what it means. So when you pick the first one, which is simplicity, simplicity is simply saying that the logo should be very simple and easy recognized by all. Yes, when you are designing the logo, it should be very simple and easy to be recognized by all, and avoid complicated details. Yes, don't load your logo with details which will make it difficult for people to see. This is what simplicity is saying. Now, the second one, which is memorable. Memorable is also saying that a good logo should be memorable, easy to be remembered by customers and clients. So, if you design a logo and then somebody see the logo somewhere and cannot associate the logo you designed to you, then it means that logo has a question mark. Now, the third principles I want us to look at is the timeliness. Timeliness. So a good logo should be able to stand in a test of time. Yes, a good logo should be able to stand in a test of time. A logo, a well-defined logo, a logo like World Health Organization, their logo is been there for ages and it doesn't go outmoded. Yes, that is what the meaning of timeliness. It should be able to stand for a long time without fading out from the system. And the next one is uniqueness. Yes, uniqueness. The uniqueness is simply saying that your logo you are designing shouldn't be a duplication of somebody's logo. Yes, it shouldn't be a duplication of somebody's logo. It should be something that you are creating from scratch, from your own imagination, something that nobody has created before. That is the uniqueness of a logo. So the next one is scalability. Scalability simply means whenever you print it if you print it in a large scale or a small scale, it should be able to be recognized by all. And again, sometimes if they scale it in a large quantity, then the picture or the logo pixelates. Yes, it shouldn't be so. Whenever you scale it, it should be recognized by all. So the balance and proportion, color choice, typography, and the one I've already mentioned, all is required by an artist before a good logo is produced. So kindly bear with that. Okay, since we are done with the principles, then we'll start designing some couple of logos, and I have some line up logos in which we'll look at how to design them, and after that we can start practicing designing logos on our own or by ourselves. So these are some of the logos that I have lined up in which we'll be looking at how to design them. So please, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please, after subscribing, turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you will receive an update on all the posts that we will do or we will post or we will do on this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and share. I'll see you in the next time. Bye for now.